Hello kids, today we will see how to make these beautiful butterflies. For making the butterflies, let's take square shape cutout and fold it as shown in the video. Let's keep this aside. Draw butterfly shape and cut it. Let's draw the face as shown in the video. It's time to make the wings. Let's take small rectangle shape cutout and put some glue on it. Fold the square like this. Use that rectangle shape cutout to put it together. Let's stick the body to the wing with the help of glue. Our butterfly is ready. Thank you kids for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.